Laser cleaning. One sweep of the laser can easily remove rust from any surface. This is the magic of laser cleaning. It's an eco-friendly process using pulsed lasers to strip rust, paint, and other grime off metal. Traditional methods, like sandblasting, are slow, messy, and can damage the material underneath. Laser cleaning is different. It uses a process called laser ablation. When the laser hits the surface, it instantly vaporizes the rust or dirt, but leaves the base material completely unharmed. This is because every material has a unique ablation threshold, the energy needed to turn it into gas. The ablation threshold for rust and paint is much lower than for steel or aluminum. The huge gap between these values means the laser can completely vaporize the gunk without damaging the metal underneath. Since this process creates smoke, these machines usually have a fume extractor to keep the air clean. So what else do you think this powerful laser can clean?